Hey guys, in this video, see if you can figure out what's real and what's AI. Now I'm inside a gaming room. Is it real? No, it's AI. What about this wooden chair? It's AI. Are these a bunch of AI chickens? Yep, they're AI chickens. Is this bridge real or AI? It's AI bridge. What about this dog? It's real. And if you think I only used AI to edit those videos, you're completely wrong. Because I'm 100% AI.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the new king of AI influencer makers.
This is the new era of AI influencers,
where there are no more plastic faces, stiff movement, or cheap-looking results. And they sound incredibly realistic.
Hi guys, I just have to show you this new bag. It is literally perfect for every day. The pattern is so unique and the color goes with absolutely everything in my closet. Hi guys, I'm in Amsterdam and I really love my outfit today.
Now, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial on how I built this exact character from scratch. The next-gen AI influencer tool we're using is Apob AI. Apob AI is the most advanced tool right now, fully focused on AI influencer production. And honestly, nothing else comes close. And the best part, they're constantly rolling out new features almost every month. So if you've tried it before, the latest version is on a completely different level. If you're new to Apob AI, you can use the link in this video description to try it for free. To see the new features and upgrades and learn how to create your own AI influencer, let's watch these 6 new features in action. 1. Create a model. To create a new model, start by selecting Create Portrait Model, then continue by either using an existing image or Apob AI's built-in AI influencer generator. Next, give your new AI model a name and click the Create button to save it. After that, you can set the character voice for consistent voiceover across all your video content by clicking the Create Voice Model button. The cool thing is, Apob AI gives you flexibility in every aspect, so you can upload your own voice or use Apob AI's built-in voice generator feature. Continue by adjusting the necessary parameters, then click Create to save your settings. And done! Your AI model is now ready to use for creating video and image content with consistent visuals and voice. 2. Hyperrealistic image content. Before creating video content, let's first learn how to create hyperrealistic image content. First, select your AI model, then go to the image section and choose the Generate Image option. You can use Chat to generate to craft your own prompt and settings, or use the Complete Set option for ready-to-use templates. This time, let's select Chat to generate. In this newest Apob version, you can easily set your prompt parameters using pre-made elements like character, art style, clothing, weather, and more. And the cool thing is, every element comes with built-in templates. For example, if you don't want to describe the clothing of your character, you can just use a ready-to-use clothing template from the list. After setting all the elements, select the aspect ratio and make sure to use the Ultra S 4K model for the most realistic result. Click Generate to start. Here are some examples of AI image content generated using the Ultra S 4K model. 3. Edit image. To create a professional AI influencer, everything needs to look clean and polished, so sometimes you'll need to edit or fix your images to get the best results. To do that, go to the Edit Image option. In this new Apob version, you can edit your images in 6 different ways. Chat to edit for flexible prompt-based edits, face swap, edit clothing, upscale, remove background, and enlarge. Now let's try Chat to edit. First, select the image you want to work on. Then, in the description box, simply describe the changes you want. You can also upload a reference image for more accurate results. Make sure to use the Ultra S model for the highest quality. Click Generate to start. And here is a before and after result edited using the Ultra S model. 4. Create video content. After you get the best AI image, you can post it directly to social media. But if you want more engaging and algorithm-friendly content, you can easily turn your image into a video. First, go to the Video tab and select the Image to Video option. Next, choose your image and write the video prompt. You can also specify elements, visual effects, or sound. After that, select the camera style from the list. If you want to create a video with multiple shots, click the Add Shot button. Make sure to turn on the native audio option to add voice to your video. Then adjust the other parameters and make sure to use the Ultra S model for the best video quality. Here is a before and after video created using the Image to Video S model.
Hey guys, in this video, see if you can figure out what's real and what's AI.
5. Revideo. Too lazy to write a video prompt or running out of ideas? Use Apob AI's Revideo feature. With this feature, you can easily replace the character in any video with your AI character. Go to the video section and select the Revideo option and select the Edit Character menu. Then select or upload the video you want to use. In the Reference Image section, you can choose your AI character, generate a new one, or upload an existing image. Make sure to select the Ultra S model for the best quality. Click Generate to start the process. Here is a before and after example created using the Revideo feature.
Hi guys, I'm in Amsterdam and I really love my outfit today.
6. Edit motion. You can also copy motion from another video easily with Apob AI. This way, you can create multiple videos from one image by using different motion references. Still in the Revideo menu, select the Edit Motion option. Now choose the image you want to use. After that, upload or select the video reference in the original video section. Make sure to select the Ultra S model, then click Generate to start. Here are some videos created using the Apob Edit Motion feature.
Ella se mueve así, me tiene loco. Cuando baila reggaetón me desenfoco. Sigue dándole, mami, no te pares. Que la noche es joven y sobran los lugares. Bailame, bailame.
As you can see, Apob AI has improved a lot since the last time I reviewed it. With the latest models and new features, it's now on a completely different level, and definitely worth trying if you want to start your own AI influencer business. So if you're thinking about getting started, now is the best time. Apob AI is currently offering 60% off the annual subscription. Check the link in the description to get the special offer. Thank you for watching this AI influencer tutorial using Apob AI. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to check out my channel for more AI tutorials. See you there!